Becoming an adult has been so freeing, but is also exhausting. I'm filling out my adulting Tetris page and I need your help. I know I'm not the only one who procrastinates these adulting tasks, so I decided playing a fun game of Tetris would help motivate me to get these tasks done. I wrote some of my ideas down, but I need 2 more suggestions. I know I'm missing some that you guys can relate to. I already have another page set up with the exhausting tasks that I push off the most, but this page has been so motivating for me. I'm setting up another one and need help with some suggestions.